Cover locked folder in Google Photos. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to recover locked folder in Google Photos. So to recover a locked folder in Google Photos, you have to follow the steps. So first of all, what you could do is you could use your device's security to access it. So go to your Google Photos. When you go to Photos or Google Photo, this is how it's gonna look like. So here you want to go to collections and then you want to go to locked, or provide in your credential. You'll be locked in. Now there isn't a direct way of doing it, so recovering your lock folder. But what you could do is you actually go ahead and back it up or recover your backup. This could also be able to fix the issue, or you should be able to recover your lock folders, hidden lock folders photos. Apart from it, there isn't other way to do it, or there isn't any way to recover your lock folders photo. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.